I'm Mariana van der Westhuizen. I remember many years back we admitted a special need baby in one of our baby homes. This child was not a healthy child, and she possibly wouldn't be living very long. Well, that was the message we got from the social worker. The team took care of her with love and passion, praying and hoping that she will grow older. As time go on, she grew and she excelled in the house. Later, we admitted her in one of our bigger houses for special needs children. Today, she's a grown woman, taking care of herself and her family. And this is compassion in action for me. If you have the compassion, come join us in our conference from the 12th to the 14th of November in Boksburg and learn more about AFM welfare and what action is with compassion. Join us on Facebook and all our social media platforms, and you will see much more of this Congress there.